Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the T900 Ultra is awake and has at least 20% charge. This prevents interruptions. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi if you plan to download images. Next, unlock the device and open Settings. You go to Display, then Wallpaper to access wallpaper controls. This path gives you system options and saved images. It's faster than third-party apps and ensures correct resolution and orientation for the tablet. Now you pick the image source, photos, live wallpapers, or the default library. You select an image and then use the crop and scale controls to match the T900 Ultra's display. This keeps important elements centered. Make sure to set whether it applies to the home screen, lock screen, or both. Once you preview, rotate or reposition as needed so text and faces aren't cut off in landscape or portrait. This avoids awkward. Finally, tap Apply or Set Wallpaper to commit the change. You'll be prompted for home, lock, or both screens. After applying, return to the home and lock screens to confirm alignment and motion behavior. If the image appears blurry or misaligned, make sure you used a high-resolution file and repeat cropping with the original. As a common fix, clear the launcher cache or reboot the tablet if the new wallpaper doesn't display correctly. This resolves transient rendering errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.